Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel Waving Hand. Today I'm sharing a super delicious and easy recipe that everyone loves, kids and adults both. We're going to make creamy chicken patties, perfect for snacks, lunch, or even parties. If you enjoy the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the white sauce. First, heat a pan on medium heat and add a little butter. Once the butter melts, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and sauté it well until the raw smell disappears. Now slowly add milk and a little cream, stirring continuously so there are no lumps. Season with salt and black pepper. Step 2. Add chicken. Next, add the cooked shredded chicken to the sauce and mix everything well. If the mixture feels too thick, add a little more milk to adjust the consistency. Cook it for a few minutes until you get a nice, creamy chicken filling. You can also add vegetables or cheese if you like, totally optional. Step 3. Prepare the patties. Now take your puff pastry and cut it into any shape you want, square, rectangle, or round. Prick the pastry lightly with a fork, then add the prepared chicken filling in the center. Fold and seal the edges nicely. Step 4. Bake or air fry. I'm using an air fryer, but you can bake them too. Air fry or bake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Final result. And that's it. Your crispy, creamy chicken patties are ready. Serve them hot. Kids and adults will absolutely love them. Smiling face with heart eyes. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, and share. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Red heart.